The original problem that this car had is that the valve seal was leaking right here, and caused it to smoke a lot. So that is the reason why we had to get new valve seal. This is the valve. Have them set out in order. Have it marked. So I have my grinding compound here. My thing here, I don't know what I call this, but use this like this to grind the valve. So I would be seating the valve them. When after I done finish grinding it, then I'm gonna wash up the head, clean it up, make sure no piece of metal, any debris or anything on it, and then I will continue on to put in the valve. So that is my task for today. So how this thing work? You take the grinding compound, you take the valve. This is an intake valve. On the grinding compound you have coarse, and you have two different textures. One is coarse, one is soft, one is rough, one is smooth. So I like to begin with the coarse first. Just depends on how bad it is. You take out some of the paste out of it and you put it around the valve. Around the valve here. Around the valve. I like to use a gel, but I don't have the gel right now, so I borrowed it. So like this, make sure it's around, right around the ring of the valve, and then you take the head and you put it in. You see here? You put it in. You take this now and you put it on top of the valve like this. Right? On top of the valve like this. And you grind it in till it becomes smooth. So after you finish grinding a valve, you take the cloth, you wipe it off, you take a look at it, make sure the ring around the valve is shine evenly, and you do the same thing with here. You wipe out here with a piece of cloth and you look around the ring, making sure that it is shine evenly. Have the rest to do. Gonna do the rest and bring a next update after I finish. And when I finish, I have to test them to make sure they're not leaking. So I'm gonna stop this video and bring the next rod after I finish with these.